Hey girl, hey. What's up guys? I'm going to show you guys how I achieved this bomb lavender hair color. I was so feeling myself. You see all these selfies that I was taking. Um, it came out so bomb. I wanted to do an even color, but it actually came out as an ombre. But let's go ahead and jump into the video so I can show you guys how to achieve this lavender ombre color. Okay, so first, you're going to need a pair of gloves and a bowl of hot water. Do not do it without gloves or you will stain your nails. And ladies, we know we do not like no stains on our nails. Next, you're going to need some shampoo, neutralizing shampoo, some conditioner for the hair. And I'm using our 613 full lace blonde wig and 2 bottles of the Adore Lavender color. You see me here. I'm going to spray the lace with some Got2B spray glue to protect the lace from getting any color on it. And as you can see, our full lace wig comes pre-plucked and it comes with the knots already bleached. Yay! I hate plucking away. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and put the lavender color inside of the bowl of hot water. Make sure you squeeze every bit of it out the bottle because we don't want no money wasted. Okay? Now you see it's the Adore Lavender. Once you've gotten that all poured into the bowl of hot water, you see I'm so neat. I had to put a towel down. I'm not trying to mess up my countertop, okay? So after that, you're going to get a thin or a comb with a very thin fine into it. And you're going to mix that color in that water nice and even. Get it in there good. The water looks really dark purple, but just keep watching and you will see that it's not going to come out that color. So don't be nervous. Mix it in there really good. Once you've got it all mixed in there, you're going to take the wig and I'm going to start with the ends of it. And you're going to dip it in there. Be careful. The water is really hot. I did burn my fingers. And then you're going to take the wig and submerge it in the water. See, I burned my hand. And you're going to take the comb and you're just kind of going to pick at it to make sure that you're getting each piece of the blonde hair saturated and covered up with that lavender color because you want it to be even. You don't want to miss a spot because trust me, people are going to be able to tell and that won't look good, sis. Now that you've gotten the color evenly across it, I'm going to pull the wig out the water because I want to do a check. I want to check and make sure that I'm coloring it evenly. And then I'm going to comb through the hair just to separate the hair strands and make sure that it's nice and covered in color. And I'm putting it back in the water. Now, I burned myself a couple times. Well, thank God the hot water didn't melt my gloves. I was afraid of that. Once you've gotten the water, gotten the color all through the hair, then you're going to go ahead and just I let it sit in the water for a couple minutes just to make sure it's, completely colored. So as you can see here in the video, I still had a little bit of blonde pieces. So I have to dip it back in the water. It's a quick process, but it will take some time. And voila, this is the outcome of the color. It came out super pretty. And I went ahead and customized it, cut it, and styled it into a bob. Thank you guys so much for tuning into my channel. Feel free to leave a comment below or any suggestions or questions you might have. This unit will be available on JennyTBoutique.com late April. And you can follow me on Jenny T Boutique on Instagram and on Facebook. Thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next time.